Hello and welcome to Mangley Town, and today we have another unboxing. This time it's a Heljan. It's their RTC Railbus and it is item 87101 and it was a limited edition for Modelzone. And I've got to say, this is about one of the cutest ones I own. So we'll have a good look at it. Nice and well packaged, but we'll pop that out and we'll get it on the track. It is a lovely little runner as well, and it's nice and weighty, but then again it is one of the makes where you do get a lot more for your money. I do collect RTC livery, but I must admit I didn't know about this one at all. They also do a non-limited edition one that's called Elliot, but I only knew about either of these from watching a channel called John's Amazing Trains, mainly because of his Intercity 125 collection, which is one of the inspirations for my Intercity 125 collection. But as you can see, this has got a nice lot of detail on it. As I say, it just looks so cute. So I hope you like the look of that, and I do think it is a really nice addition to my RTC collection. I have got a previous video on here before I got this, and I think one other edition as well of my RTC collection, so if you want to check that out and see the other loco or two and all the coaches I've got. I hope you've enjoyed a quick look at that, and I'll see you again soon.